Our property was looking stained and dirty. We didn't know what to do with it. Then we saw a video of soft washing and wondered if it would work on our house.
Good morning, and today we're in the village of Netherkellet, which is close to Carnforth, and we've got a bungalow to soft wash, and it's a cement render, and you can see that this front elevation is quite badly contaminated, quite a lot of black spot. You can see water runoff coming from this windowsill here and down the bottom. So these windowsills here, obviously quite heavily stained. And what we'll do with this elevation is we'll treat this twice actually, because it's really quite bad, and then we'll leave a biocide on once we finish. So we've got this to do. We'll do these planters down here. So again, it's looking bad here, and I think it's been patched up there. But this here, so this is moss just starting on here. Lichens, again, quite a lot happening here. This wall's bad. This doesn't look quite as bad. Although there's algae down the bottom. And here. So again, quite a lot of staining. And I'm going to get around the back here. Again, this doesn't look too bad actually. There's obviously algae here and at the bottom. And there's some moss at the top. Again, we'll do these planters down the side. And then this side. So, let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this property now, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So obviously there was quite a lot of black spot on here, and so this has had 2 treatments and hot washed, and then we've just left the biocide on. So you might see at the top there's a few dead spores up there, a little bit of dead moss, and that will just drop off over time. Obviously we don't want to put too much pressure on to damage the render. So the windowsills, there's quite a lot of moss here, that's all gone. Again, there's a few spores that will clear. Here we go, this is the moss here, that will drop off. So all this has been biocided. We did the bottom of the steps. Dry that. And then we did the white planters. And then this side here, again, it's got a biocide on. So there's some spores at the bottom here. I'll just clear. And then this side. Well, it was a really good job, and really nice couple we did this work for. So a week, 10 days, and it should look its best. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.